Luto si Rudy. Gutom na gid si Rudy. This game is brought to you by Rudy Balanghi.
Committee oh. Committee dyan.
5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Wala. One point.
Last 5 minutes.
Ang hitman, tumira na. Wala pa rin.
Oh.
2 points ang bulsa. Joseph Munoz, 4 minutes and 40.
Relationship. No? No?
May foul. Dok.
Let's go.
One foul to Dok. One running fouls. Green Archers. Kunsay. Katangay. Logos.
Ay, sayang.
Points. Tandingan. Continue lang tayo pag walang tawag.
Whistle, hindi kayo marinig. Tuloy lang, tuloy.
Last 4 minutes and 5.
Bansay.
4 minutes. Bye.
Time out daw.
Time out.
Time out. Great team. Greyhounds.
Paula to rep. Rep.
Respond.
Jack. Magahit yan.
3 minutes and 58. 6
Only?
Yes.
Last game this.
The last game.
You can play if the player is lacking.
3 minutes and 58.
But if complete. Gray ngayon. Tapos nangasundan, nag-time out kayo.
Hindi, may ano na yung
May tali dito.
yung first time out niyo sa second half, 10 minutes and 52. Yung pangalawa, 5 minutes and 5 seconds.
Yeah.
Na-consume nyo na yung dalawa. Ito ngayon, tayo, ha?
Dalawang time ito.
Verification lang, rep. Verification lang? Hindi naman. Hindi naman bawal yan.
May record naman ako.
Bali, pwedeng bumali. Pwedeng bumali.
Pwede yan, bayad.
Wala sa akin eh.
3 minutes and 55.
Banday, pag malas sa liga, sa piso.
10 seconds and clock. Ay! Good. Last touch, Bakayawa.
Long ski!
3 minutes and 35.
Asan mong live long ski?
Throw.
Bantayan.
Last 3 minutes and 30. Oh, nice pick. Very good.
Ito. Paulo. Gaya kipa. Ba yung referee niya. Pang NBA ba? Pang playoffs ba? Pang playoffs nga man.
10 seconds and clock.
Ganyan. Yan mo talaga, kamay.
10 seconds and clock.
Aga.
Percent.
Yay.
Ayan. Good points.
Ba yung referee?
33-37.
Rip, stick to kay Karip ba?
2 minutes and 50.
Bang bang. Tatangan si Bo Belga. Bo Belga.
6 and 40.
Si Doc. Ay, wala na. Eh, sayang. Oh, nakuha pa yun. Oh, lang yun. Oh, sana nakuha pa oh.
1 minute and 20. 10 seconds on clock.
Score 33-40. Naman ang Greyhounds. Ah. Points.
48-42, 33. Intercept pa, foul.
Wow.
Substitution.
Magiging buhaya ka pag
Second running fouls pa. 2 minutes and 1 second.
last 2 minutes.
2 minutes. Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes.
Pagod na, palitan mo na, pagod na.
4:42-33. Lamang ang Greyhounds. Ay, walang yagi. Ay, sayang.
1 minute and 45.
Kuha pa rin yan.
Kuha pa nun, grabe.
Lundos. Kuyan.
May pang tapat na si Ryan ah.
Lundos.
Tsaka si Khalid. Si Khalid, no? Tatlo lang ah.
Bola to times. 1 minute and 30. One minute and 25. Intercept. Ay, good.
Dalawa.
Kuha pa ba?
1 minute and 10.
Nagawa na sila sa si Jibo. Jeep, ano ba? Kaya ba?
Jeff, bola, Jeff.
10 seconds to play. 5 seconds on clock. Bench. Lagot. 50 seconds. Intercept.
Tres.
45 seconds. 40. 15 seconds on clock. 10 seconds on clock. 35 seconds.
Bang, bang. Eh,
25 seconds.
5 seconds shot.
5 seconds on clock.
5 seconds. Tira na.
Shot clock violation.
shot clock violation.
14
Ala.
14 seconds. Shot clock
Shot
violation.
clock. Tagal eh.
14
Oo nga.
seconds.
Sayang.
14 segundos.
Hindi na ano, nilibantayan.
14 segundos.
14 seconds.
40 seconds, 40 seconds.
Last 10. Foul. Oh, Munoz. Munoz. 2 fouls. Warning for penalty. Last 9 seconds.
Uy, dudula skin ba?
9 seconds ha. 90 segundos.
Asa wa bila ni ul basin ni ulit ug
Wala.
tayo bay.
Wala ba?
Naman na to may din nga wala asawa.
Wala.
Agad. Gubahan mo sa tanan.
Mingaw. Dali, mingaw lang siya ito.
5 seconds.
Okay na.
Winner.
Seconds.
3:42.
Seconds guys, seconds.
Take one by.